guys, your friend Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here right now. So I want to talk to you of how you can bank a lot of money from dollar arbitrage in 2022, right? So you'll be seeing this platform. Well, a friend just told me about this platform, and listen to me very carefully. On this platform, I just want to discuss one thing that is very important to me, and that is exactly what I wanted to discuss with you right here. I'm not here to, introduce to you any coin, to buy any coin, or to, invest on any coin. No, because personally, I'm not interested to buy any coin on this platform. Though they have projects and they said they have coin as well. But something that actually catched my attention was because the person that introduced this to me told me about the how you can buy dollar on this platform at the rate of 410 naira and sell it back on Binance at 565. So that is what really catched my attention, and you don't really need cards. So definitely it's going to be like unlimited, and there won't be any restriction, right? So that's what really catch my attention. That is what I want to share with you right here today. So that guy, that my friend just sent me a message how to make millions using the new arbitrage system starting January 2022, so that I can buy at 410. That is with no bank limits, all right? Because when you are not using cards, when you're not making use of any card, the stress of this card these days, some cards are not even working again on platform. Those cards that we rely on, most of them are not even working again. So everybody are just looking for the alternative right now on arbitrage. And let me tell you, dollar arbitrage has been spoiled. So everybody is trying to looking for one or another way to survive on this dollar arbitrage, right? So this is the platform called club.wittytech.io, right? So these guys they have CEO that make webinar almost every day. They make webinar to explain what they have, their project, what they want to do. And you know what, I'm not here to explain much to you on what I will advise you. That is, if you're interested, if you really want to do more of dollar arbitrage and make a lot of money according to the platform, according to the person that to introduce this to me, and according to the CEO of this project, of this platform, that is the founder, the owner of this project, right? So because I actually asked them that is it possible in their group, because they have channel where they update every day. So on the description below, I'm going to put their channel link there and their group link, so that I can also join. Then anytime they want to hold the webinar and explain what they have for people like us, they update on their group and their channel. That's on so day and date they want to hold a webinar to explain what they have. And as you can see right here, you can see something like financial education sales and network marketing. But anyway, I'm not really interested in all those things, but the only thing that I'm interested in is just their arbitrage stuff. And we are already there, waiting for how they are going to launch it and be able to buy at that 410 that they promised, and send to Binance when we buy from this platform that they owns, right? So then send to the buyer and Binance and resell at the price there, maybe 560 or 570 on Binance, right? So that is what exactly these guys actually sent to me. So said, have you ever wondered if there will be an opportunity for you to get US dollar at the official rate? Of course, everybody are looking for that. Now say search no more, because you are at the right place, right? So then the platform is about to introduce to you will enable you to buy crypto at $410 and to resell at 560 or 570 for profit, right? So the profit, the platform is called Witty Project. We have a native token called Witty, right? So then fact about the exchange, at our exchange rate. You know what I'm supposed to do right now? Let me just do it this way so that it will be easier for you and I. So that it won't be like maybe I'm just lying to you guys. Let me just quickly share my phone on the screen right here, right? My phone. All right. So as you can see right here, say good morning, Mr. Oluwaseun. Kindly read the brief explanation how to make millions using the new arbitrage strategy starting January 2022, right? So you can see that, but I don't want to really take much of my time on this. So I think I was on this place before that. This platform is called Witty Project. We have a native token called Witty. But about our exchange rate is officially rated at 410 per dollar, while Binance, Remitano, etc. use black market rates. So that's a weapon 150 profit margin, which is very good if it can work the way they are saying it. So how can you leverage our platform to make more money arbitraging? With your capital, buy Witty token at 410, then convert the Witty token to USDT, BTC, BNB, etc., etc. Then sell on other exchange platform like Binance, Remitano, etc. at 560. Whoops, that's a lot of margin profit, right? So the formula, so Naira to Witty. So you use Naira to buy Witty, all right? So then you now change the Witty to USDT, right? So then let's use a practical example. Mr. A and Mr. B has 1 million Naira each to start dollar arbitrage. Mr. A decided to buy USDT directly on Binance, Remitano at 560. So he gets with 1 million, he gets 1,785 worth of USDT for his own 1 million. But Mr. B decided to buy Witty token on Witty exchange at 410 per dollar. So with 1 million Naira, he's gonna get like 2,439 worth of Witty token. So if Mr. B then converts his Witty token to USDT, minus 2% transaction fee at most, so you get 2,391 worth of USDT. Well, that's crazy, right? So you can see the difference between 2,391 and 1,785. So let's do the maths. You can see the math. So the profit there is gonna be like 606 worth of USDT. Wow, 606 dollar difference by buying the same coin from different exchange. So this is huge. Now if Mr. B takes his 606 profit to sell on Binance at 560, so again in Naira will be 606 multiplied by 560, that is 339,000 and 360,000 Naira. So guys, this is what actually grabbed my attention. So he now said too good to be true, right? So I know it is huge. Take advantage of this gold mine. Exactly, that is why I've had this over 2 weeks now, and I just decided to mute, and be watching them on their Telegram and what they are saying. But I just feel like, okay, let me share this platform with you guys right here today. So that is why I just come online to say, okay, let me just share this with you. Of course, I have a lot of people that have, registered on this platform I've told about, and they have registered, but I know that in this YouTube community, majority it's only those that are in my group that knows about this, okay? But I did not make any video on it. I did not do any explanation on it. I just copy exactly what a friend sent to me to that my group, and those who read it and have interest in it, they registered and also waiting. They joined the wait list. All right, so join the wait list. So now I'm saying it once again, right, guys? So I'm have to put a disclaimer. I'm not here to introduce any coin that you should buy any Witty, or if you buy any Witty, if you buy any Witty now and say you want to keep it or you want to invest on it, that is on your own, right? Because I'm not on this platform to invest on any Witty. I'm just waiting for them, right? I'm just waiting for them to, uh see how they are going to introduce the stuff. As you can see, I even asked this guy later. Let's check my message. Okay, I said I'm not interested in buying any coin and hold. Okay, I'm not interested to buy any witty coin and hold, but arbitrage only. So, and this guy said witty project has many use cases. You don't need to use all the uses. So you see, he just said you don't need to buy witty coin and hold. All you need to do is for the crypto remittance and non-custodial P2P platform to go live in. So they said it's going live in January. This is January, right? So this conversation was December last year, and you'll begin to enjoy buying at official rate, which I'm waiting for, right? Which I'm waiting for. So and this is January already, so that is why I'm trying to tell you guys about this project. If it works, it will have been, it's going to suit everybody. But I'm not here, I'm saying it again, I am not here to introduce any witty token to you that you should invest on any witty token, but we am on the list to wait for their P2P exchange platform, all right, to be launched. Buy at the bank rate, which is 410, and send it to Binance, and as in the arbitrage stuff anyway. So now, if you want to do that, all you need to do is just to go to the description below, because of course this is you go directly with this link right here, you won't be able to register. You have to go through someone, right? So now let me just click on this. You say what is going to write. You can see you can only get registered. You can only register through the invitation link. All right, so the invitation link that you are going to use is on the first is on the description section below this video, right? So it's on the description section below this video, and hopefully we pray that things is going to work out the way we are explaining. So now let me quickly just log into the platform and see how it looks like, right? Let me just do that right now. Okay, so this is the platform. When you sign up, all you need to do is just to enter your email address, phone number, your name, and that's all, right? That's all. Then you will be here. All right, so I think but they have some video tutorials. All right, so so you can join the YouTube channel. You can join. I don't even need to. When you register, you're going to see their Telegram group, the Facebook group, and their Instagram. So you're going to see that's everything that you just need to see. They have training videos in their platform right here, so that you can actually watch. So they see that. Then they have in Custodia P2P exchange. I think they have some videos, step-by-step videos there. Then or the automated trading system. Okay, they have some videos, and just go try to walk up and down on this. I can see how to create a Binance, how to fund your Binance accounts, how to set up Trust Wallet, how to activate Witty on Trust Wallet. Actually, I did not follow all this. What I'm just waiting for is just the platform that we can make use to do the arbitrage. That is what I'm actually waiting for, right? That is what I'm actually waiting for. Then aside that, you can also, if you want to tell your friend about this platform, because I don't know, maybe when they launch the arbitrage stuff, there will still be opportunity to register like this. But if you want to tell your friend to key in and stay in wait list before they launch the arbitrage system, you can just, after you have done the registration, all you need to do is just to go to the now and see that about 82 people has registered through the group, but I had not made any video. I just posted it there that okay, if you have any interest, but I am not introducing any token to you to buy and hold, right? I'm just waiting on this platform to see how their arbitrage that they promise is going to be. So then if you want to introduce it to people, I think you're going to get started. You click on get started. All right, when you click on get started, you're going to see your referral link just like this. So all you need to do just to copy it. So once you copy it, then you can give it to your friends, so let him register as well. So guys, if you like this video, please kindly click on the thumb up and click on the subscription button and the notification bell, as you'll be getting updates whenever we drop a valuable content like this. So if this can work out, definitely everybody is going to enjoy the arbitrage that we think it has spoiled, because if you can see an opportunity to be doing it without using any card, is going to be crazy. Then if we have opportunity to be buying at 410 and resell at 560, 570, that is a very massive gain. Even if you are paying 5%, 3%, and still going to be a profitable one. So that's what I have for you right here today. Thank you very much. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun.